Welcome to today's tutorial on personalizing your WhatsApp experience. Today, we're diving into how you can use a custom avatar as your profile picture. It's a fun way to add a personal touch to your chats, and it's super easy to set up. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Whether you're on Android or iOS, the process begins the same way. Next, look for the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Tap on Settings to proceed to the next step. In the Settings menu, you'll see various options related to your account, chats, notifications, and more. Look for Avatar and tap on it. This section is dedicated to creating and customizing your personal avatar. If you already have an avatar, you can proceed to create a profile photo. If not, tap Create Your Avatar. This will take you through the initial setup process, where you can design an avatar that represents you. You can create your WhatsApp avatar manually or by taking a photo. Now tap on the Create Profile Photo option. This option allows you to use your avatar as your profile picture. Here's where you can get creative. Choose the pose that you like the most. Select a background color that complements your avatar, or pick an expression that matches your current mood. WhatsApp offers a variety of options to customize your avatar's appearance in the profile photo. Once you're happy with how your avatar looks, tap the checkmark or Done in the upper corner of the screen. This confirms your choices and sets your new avatar profile picture. And that's it. Your WhatsApp profile picture is now your custom avatar. This is a simple yet effective way to personalize your WhatsApp experience and make your profile stand out. Have fun creating your avatar and expressing yourself in a unique way.